In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chatgpt and customize it to enhance your gaming experience. Whether you're diving into the latest first-person shooter or any other game, Chatgpt can help you optimize your strategies and loadouts. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so. Make sure you have your account credentials at hand and sign in to access all the features Chatgpt offers. Once you're logged in, look for the option to start a new chat. You'll find this option prominently placed, and it allows you to kick off a fresh conversation that's entirely focused on your game-specific queries. This approach helps keep your interactions streamlined and relevant to your current gaming needs. Now, let's tell Chatgpt the game you're diving into. Be very specific about both the title and version, because this information ensures that you receive the most accurate and up-to-date advice possible. For instance, if you're playing Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 3, Season 2, mention that precisely. Specificity here is key, as different versions might have varied strategies and essential updates. Next, don't forget to articulate your playstyle and goals. Whether you're the type who favors stealth, long-range sniping, speed, or a balanced approach, letting Chatgpt know will tailor its recommendations to suit your preferences. For example, you might say, "I like long-range sniping with high mobility," which will guide Chatgpt to suggest options that align with your unique style. With your playstyle clarified, the next step is to ask Chatgpt for the best loadout. Request detailed information on gear and attachments that match your described style and game environment. An example request might be, "Give me the best sniper loadout for aggressive play in TOD MW3. Once you have one loadout suggestion, it might be worthwhile to explore multiple options. Ask Chatgpt for 2 to 3 different builds, along with the pros and cons for each. This way, you can evaluate different strategies and select the one that best fits your gameplay preferences. Of course, great gear is only part of the equation. Ask Chatgpt for strategy tips on how to effectively use the loadout. Inquire about the best maps, tactics, and situations where the loadout comes in handy. You could phrase it as, "Explain the best maps and situations to use this loadout." As you begin to implement these suggestions, you may find the need for adjustments. After testing out a recommended strategy, refine it by providing feedback to Chatgpt. Perhaps you need loadout tweaks for mid-range fights or improved mobility. Chatgpt can adjust its recommendations based on your feedback. And there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage Chatgpt for enhancing your gaming setup and strategies. Practice this process and you'll continually improve your gaming experience. Happy gaming!